Hey there, and welcome to my course. No. Wait. Look, I understand. A course on hair products from a guy who has no hair. No, I understand. I get that ship has sailed. For me, the train has left the station, right? I understand. But look, this is where my friend Autumn comes in. Look at these images. This is the one product that you are going, the completely natural, preservative-free product that Autumn has used to get these incredible results. Have a look at the difference with the thin hair at the start. She's got so much more hair growth, better hair. pH is balanced in the scalp, no more itchy scalp, all of that. She's going to tell you her own story by using this one product that you're going to learn in this course. And it's very cheap, it's very easy to make, and that's what my promise is to you. And you're going to take photos before and after, just like Autumn has, to see incredible results. If you've got thinning hair, dandruff, itchy scalp, oily hair, we're going to balance out the pH. We're going to give you thicker, stronger hair, less split ends, less breakages, and you'll have results like Autumn or even better. So that is my promise to you. And now Autumn is going to tell you her story so you can hear it from her, as opposed to the bald guy in the course.
Hello, my name is Autumn. I am a good friend of Mark's, and I just wanted to share a little bit about my hair care journey and how this amazing product has totally changed my hair. So I've always had problems with thin hair and breakage and split ends and oily hair and itchy scalp and hair loss and all of those things. So over the last 20 years, I've actually tried tons of different natural hair care recipes. I've tried low poo, no poo, dry poo. You see the dry shampoo or no shampoo. I've tried all kinds of different recipes, from rice water to avocado to tea, coffee, yogurt, honey, any combination of any of those ingredients. In fact, if it's on Pinterest or on Google, guarantee I've tried it. And none of them really worked for me until this fabulous little product came along. So actually at the end of last year, my hair was getting worse. I noticed that it was just getting worse at the ends. It was falling out more by the clump in the shower, and I was kind of freaking out because it was about to be Christmas time and we were having photos taken with our family and friends, and I was just embarrassed, quite frankly. So I actually ended up wearing a Santa hat in all of my Christmas pictures, which was super cute, but I did it because I was embarrassed at the shape of my hair at the time. So my good friend Mark, who is very educated about different natural products and about making natural beauty care products, so I expressed some of my frustrations with him and asked for his advice. So we've actually been using this shampoo on my hair for the last about 6 months, and I can tell you it has completely changed my hair. It's blown any other natural hair care product that I've tried out of the water. It immediately solved my itchy scalp issue and the oily hair issue. That took that away right away within the very first wash. And ever since then, I've just been having so much more success with the product. So I now have kind of this natural curl and bounce to my hair. The health and vitalization has come back to it. It's shiny. I've been cutting the split ends just a little bit every few weeks. There's a special technique on how to cut your split ends without cutting your length. And now, about 6 months later, my hair is actually longer, stronger, and healthier than it was 6 months ago when I first started using this product. So we cannot wait to share this recipe and this product with you.